Hello guys, welcome back to our channel 1-2-Step. In this video, I'm going to be teaching you guys to see if someone's online in Google Chat. So, first of all, you need to be in the app library, then just tap on Google Chat. Go to this chat-like symbol right next to your home. Tap on it. Now, just tap on the person you want to see if they're online or not. So, on top of the screen, you can see right beside their email, there's a profile icon, and there's a small circle over there that's gray. So if it's gray, it means they're offline. But if it's bright green, then that means they're online. So as you can see, my friend is offline. So guys, that's how you can see if your friend is online or not. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like and drop a comment down below. If you want more videos like these, then please subscribe to our channel. We'll see you again next time. Thank you for watching.